Hi everyone, welcome to Anisha's Decora. Welcome to another video on my channel. In today's video, we are installing a work table in our house. So let's see how we do it. The first thing is clearing out the space, which we have already done. We ordered our table from bowl.com and it arrived quite fast. It has two parts, which is the top and the leg section. Right now we are cutting open the box that has the leg section, and this table is also very interesting. You'll see as we go on installing. For this we are using an electric drill. Everything that's required in the installation is already given in the box, so you don't really need to buy anything. We are using an electric drill, like I said, but it's not mandatory. You can use any drill. The electric drill just makes it faster. We are also counting that every nut, how many are shown in the picture, they're exactly the same number. The box also has the manual which has all the steps needed for the installation, and finally we have started. The legs were very heavy because they were made of metal, so we tried to fix few of the screws by hand and then we switched to the electric drill and it got done faster. And after that it was time to install the top. So right now we have already unboxed the top section. The top has two sections. One part is white and the other is a light brown wood kind of color. We decided to go with the wood color. It's just easier to maintain. So this is the tricky part and the manual was not really helping. So we decided to switch to a YouTube video instead, and that was very helpful. Right now we have installed the top as well, and this is the interesting part. So the height of this table can be adjusted with the click of a button, which is amazing. This was definitely a two-person's job and both of us were doing it. So here I am doing my bit as well, and this is the interesting part. So we are finally installing the device that will help to make the table go up and down. This was really great because both of us, we are going to share this table for a few hours every day, and we both like our tables to be at different heights because we are of different heights. So this will help both of us. We also decided to go ahead and get these wire organizers because we have around 2 to 3 or even more devices, and we have installed them underneath the table, and they will also help to make sure there are no wires showing. And this is the final look of the table. Right now we have the setup which my husband uses for his work. So this was a really great experience and a fun DIY. We almost used the whole day to do it. And did I tell you that the table which was there in its place now is my beauty table? So thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.